Hello, in front of me I have a Redmi 15C and a Redmi 15, and in this video we're going to compare the design and build of those devices. Alright, so let's begin. We will simply see which design and build quality is better when it comes to the comparison of those devices. So maybe let's begin with the Redmi 15, which is on my right side. So I'll hold it for now. When it comes to the front design, I should take a look on the front. You can clearly now see the biggest difference, I think, which is between those devices. That when we have our front camera, it is not fully fulfilled. I mean, the area from the edge into the camera. We have a gentle space of our wallpaper of our screen. While as you take a look on 15C, you can see that we don't have that free space next to the camera as it goes into the edge. So that's like the first difference when it comes to that. Also, as you take a look between those devices, you can clearly see that the frames on the Redmi 15 are simply more slim than on the Redmi 15C. They are more gentle, they are simply smaller. In my opinion, it works. It looks simply better, more slim on the Redmi 15, while on the 15C it looks pretty, powerful. I can say it in that way. For me, it's too thick when it comes when I'm looking on the Redmi 15C. And the next thing is that camera that I was talking about. Simply the design for me, it looks better on the Redmi 15. Now let's take a look on the back of each device. In this case, in my model, it's like the platinum color. Also, as you tap on the back of this device, you can feel that it's simply plastic, but it sounds and when I'm touching it, it feels pretty solid. So I think it won't break. But remember that you shouldn't, for example, throw your phone each day, even when the plastic is solid. So simply keep away and watch out for any breaks, but I think it should be pretty fine. But still, in my opinion, it's the best way to keep each device, it doesn't matter if it's Redmi or anything else, in a case. Okay, so that's how the back presents of this device. Looks pretty cool, in my opinion. This is the design of the camera. Also, the cameras are placed a little bit higher than on the rest of the back plate, and are also a little bit outside of the shape. I mean, they are simply a little bit higher than the edge. So, for example, you should be aware that if you drop your phone, there's a chance that you break your camera. So have that in mind. Now let's take a look on the Redmi 15C. Let me grab it into my hands. Okay, I was talking about the camera and the frames that are simply bigger. Let's also go into the back of the device. In here we also have the plastic. I think it's the same texture and even the same plastic. When I'm tapping it, it also feels pretty solid. The biggest difference in the design is, of course, the cameras right in here. They are placed a little bit differently. We have different shape. And also, as you take a look in that way, they're also a little bit higher than the edge of the phone. But let's compare it with the Redmi 15, because I don't know which one are higher. Yeah, on the Redmi 15 those cameras are higher than the more higher when it comes to the edge of the device. I hope you can take a look on it right in here. And also I'll hold both devices like that so you could see the difference. Also, the Redmi 15C is bigger than Redmi 15. Also on each device on the back, you could see that after a few taps and when I'm holding it, it's leaving the marks of my finger on both devices. Currently you might not see it on the Redmi 15C because the back of the phone is black, and it's matte. Actually on both phones we have a matte backplate. But it leaves the marks after my fingers. I hope you can see it. Alright. Also, when it comes to the weight of those devices, I think it's pretty similar to each other. I wouldn't say that one of those devices is clearly weighs more than the second. I think they are really similar to each other, and when I'm holding them at the same time, when I'm twisting them, it feels really cool. I think the weight is really accurate, and it's really comfortable to hold both of those devices. Also, another difference, as you take a look, on the Redmi 15C, we still have the 3.5mm jack output, while on the Redmi 15 it's not even located. I'll show you from each side. In here we have a speaker, while on the Redmi 15C we still have our jack. So that's another difference when it comes to that. Also, when I'll twist those devices really gently, they are not cracking or anything like that when I'm putting pressure on them. So I think it's really pretty okay built. It's not cracking when I'm twisting them or putting the pressure. Now let's try with the Redmi 15C. In here maybe there are really quiet cracks when I'm folding the device and when I'm putting pressure on it. On the Redmi 15 there was no that sound, or actually I think it depends from the pressure, but I'm trying to do it really gently. Alright, so as a final result, when it comes to the design of those devices, I think that for my personal opinion, the Redmi 15 looks better than the Redmi 15C because of those edges and also the front camera. I like that it has that free space around it, while on the Redmi 15C it doesn't have that. Also, but for some people it might be better into the winning position for the Redmi 15C because of the jack port, while on the Redmi 15 it is not available. But also when it comes to the quality of the manufacturing, when I'm holding both of the devices, they feel pretty similar to each other. They're pretty okay. When it comes to the backplate, we have the plastic, but it's made pretty okay. It leaves fingerprint marks, but I think that most people keep their devices in the case, so you wouldn't have that problem. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.